Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a game switch in the ball. How to make game switch in the ball? Okay, a coding, before make a game, I will show you playing in the game. Okay, this is the game. Okay, the very nice. Okay, 1 minus 1, score -1. Oh my god. Score 0. Oh my god. This good. Very good. Okay. Good. This is the sheep. This is the play. Okay. This is the finish. Okay. Okay. Go. This is the finish. Go. Okay. Okay. Finish. Okay, guys. Okay. Okay. Before recording the game, I will make a start and game over image that is can be Canva, software and others. Okay, I will tell you the next start. You click try this. You click search poster. You click poster search poster. Okay, you click number one poster and up to you. Okay, and your click create a blank poster. And after that, okay, wait a moment. Okay, your click element. Can you click a game? Your and up to you, okay? And up to you in logo. Okay, again after that, you click play. Let's play. Okay, like this. Oh, play. Okay, like this play. And after that, your text and the play. Okay, and after that, your background. Up to you, the background, guys. Okay, again after that, your logo you. Okay, this is logo me, Najuan TV. Okay, like this. Okay, then after that, your download PDF print up to you. Okay, and PNG. I recommendation PNG. Okay, wait a moment. Okay, this is This is okay. Then after that, I will show you the game over. Okay, game over. Your element. Your game over. Okay, game over, and up to you guys. And your text. Okay, your text. Okay, wait a moment. Okay, your text. Game over. Over. Okay, game over. Try it. Okay, like this. Okay, and after that, okay, your church. No. Okay, try it. Try. Okay, this is no. Your element, your wait a moment. Your sub. Okay, your sub. Then after that, game over. Okay, game over. Then after that, your download. Your upload logo. Okay, your download. Don't forget PDF and PNG download. Okay, this is the finish and the image game over or start. Okay, okay. Then after that, you click new. You click new a 3D game. Okay, creative. Okay, a loading. Okay, then after that, your wait a moment. Break the roof. Okay, break the roof. Okay, you click your drag your ice cream. Okay, then after that, your rename UI. Then after that, your double click. Okay, then after that, your drag your image star. Okay, okay, your drag image star. Your wait a moment. Okay, like this. Okay, this album. Wait a moment. This is play, not one TV. Okay, then after that your wait a moment, guys. So I forgot. Then after that your navigation button. Okay, I navigation button. Okay, navigation button. Okay, okay, like this. Okay, then after that your default the function the default. Okay, the function the start. Okay, sorry, default. Okay, then after that is your text. No, then after that I will say you. Wait a moment, guys. Okay, default. Okay, wait a moment. The function default. Okay, like this. Okay, then after that your 3D word. Then no. Your start UA, your okay, your drag. Okay, then after that, just a moment. Then after that, your drag UI screen, your game UI. Okay, UI game UI, your rename game UI. Okay, your double click. Okay, like this. Then after that, wait a moment. Then after that, your event observer, your drag. Okay, like this. Okay, game over. The event tab, the game over. Default. Okay, then after that, this is up to you the position. Okay, then after that, your default font, your drag default font. Okay, like this. The position up to you guys. Then after that, default font, the function, the score. Okay, then after that, all point current. This is the amount, the current. Okay, okay, like this. font. Okay, then after that your drag default font. Okay, your text is this color. It's score. Oh, sorry, I forgot. Score. Okay, score. Okay, wait a moment. Score. Okay, like this. And after that, your click. Wait a moment. Tools. Okay, like this. Tools on editor. Okay, like this. Wait a moment. Okay, if you the up to you. I don't know. 1, 2, or 2Z. Okay, and after that, the score. Okay, and after that, your come back and the mind map one first. Okay, and after that, your add the new UI screen and the new UI screen. Okay, and the new UI screen. Okay, I your rename game over UI. Okay, like this. Okay, and after that your double click, and after that your game over in the image game over, and okay, like this. Okay, game over. Wait a moment, guys. Okay, game over. And after that your navigation button, your dock navigation button. Okay, like this. In game over. The function, the back. Wait a moment. The function, the restart. Okay, I'm sorry. The function, the restart. Okay, like this. And after that, okay, and after that, your comeback game UI and you click tools font editor. Okay, add on the list one. Okay, then up to you. And the main color and the grid. Okay, like this. And after that, your blue. Okay, like this. Okay, the score. Okay. Then after that, your tools drag. Okay, like this. Okay.